Hi guys, this is John Fallett with Senior Enrollment Solutions. We are in the heart of certification time. If you have not taken your AHIP yet, it is time to take your AHIP, and once again understand that there is a time period for SES to reimburse you on your AHIP costs. We also sent out a video recently on how you could make money on your AHIP. Still have questions? Give us a call, 248-270-9577. You need assistance with your certifications. You don't know who's offering what in the area? There are webinars that we are having throughout the entire summer. There's a link in the description in regards to upcoming certifications as well as webinar dates. If you missed Workshop Part 1 last month, certainly tune in this month for Workshop Part 2 on how to market and how to offer coverage through this COVID time, and how the industry may be changing in future years and how to adapt throughout these changes. If you missed Part 1 of the webinar, there's a link down below in the YouTube channels so that way you can review. Part 1 was Introduction to Medicare for PNC agents as well, on how you can offer Medicare to your consumers without taking that annual test, the AHIP. If you have not taken your certifications, if you have not completed your certifications, or you're struggling in completing your certifications, certainly reach out. We're here to assist you 24/7, 248-270-9577. Stay tuned for our upcoming workshops, Part 2, Marketing during the COVID period and how to offer coverage telephonically, compliantly, and Part 3 coming thereafter. We have so much going on for this upcoming annual enrollment period, and more importantly, assisting you in adapting to the changes that are occurring with COVID. You may not be going into a nursing facility. You may not be going into a Salvation Army or a food bank, or some of these locations, many of them are simply either closed, or if you can get in, you'll find that there are fewer consumers that may be coming to these locations. Now is the time to adapt and understand and change your marketing to be able to reach more consumers and continue to produce business to remain in this amazing industry. If you have any questions, visit us at seniorenrollmentsolutions.com/agents or phone us at 248-270-9577. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next workshop.